How to view photo album on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view photo album on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and click on your profile here, and after you click on it, just go down and select any photo you want, like this one, and click these 3 points here, and then just click view album. And as you see here, you can view the photo album on Facebook Lite, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.